Hi guys, my name is Jaspal and I am 2018 pass out in BTech, and I started my courses here in I-Medita in last year with the CCNA courses. And when I completed my CCNA course, Surendra sir advised me to go for the multi-track because my last semester was for the training. So I got the time for attending that multi-track course. So I decided to go for the I-Medita, the multi-track course, in which I have the CCNA routing and switching, CCNP routing and switching, and CCNA security, and there are also PD sessions and deep dive sessions. The PD sessions helped me to improve my communication, and the deep dive sessions helped me to crack the interviews questions. So throughout the course, my trainer was Surendra sir, and he was very good in the that profile, that routing and switching profile, and he is CCI certified. So it's very good that getting training from the certified persons. That was a very good experience, and I got the practical knowledge also here because of the labs availability all the time. And it was a great experience because I made many friends here. The environment is very good, so I learned a lot from everyone, and the person who were get placed, they shared their experience with me to crack my interview, and that was the main key to crack my interviews because I got the real-time experiences from them. And mainly I did my CCNA security from the Baldev sir, and he is also a very good trainer in a security field, and he is one of the best, I think. And all about that training, and for the placement purposes, Priya Vande ma'am helped me a lot to get throughout the placement. Through, like, they are continuously sending me for the interviews, and I tested my knowledge in the different interviews and in the different companies. So after getting giving interviews for 1 or 2 companies, I got the enough confidence and the technical knowledge to gain and crack any interview. So that was my journey. Thank you.